Now guys, in the sum of division, the most difficult part is to write this table. If we know the table of 87, the sum will be very easy for me. Otherwise, I have to make all the time I will have to make the rough work. First, I'll make it multiply by 2, then I'll multiply this by 3. But after making this table, my work would become so easy. For this, for example, I have taken this number divided by 87. While dividing this number by 87, first I will choose these two digits. 48, because this is a 2-digit number. First I will try under the 2-digit number, but these 2-digit number is smaller than this. ये जो 2 digit 48 ये 87 से बड़े हैं, तो I have to take 3 digit. 3 digit become 489. Now under this 489, the table of 87 will go 435 5 times. I took 5 times. Then I'll subtract. Subtraction के बाद I got 54. Then I brought this 5 down. Now under 545, the table will go 6 times. I have taken 6 here. Again I subtract 3, 2. Now I took this 2 down. Now 87 का table under this 232 will go only 2 times. That is 174. Again I subtract. I got this. Now this remainder should be smaller than this. So in this question, my quotient is 562 and the remainder is 58. Here one more division. For example, I am taking here now, I am taking the table of 56 and the number I am taking for say 7, 8, 2, 3, 5, 1. Little bigger number. See, 56 is a 2-digit number. Again I have taken 2 digit. That is 78. 56 78 के नीचे कितने टाइम जाएगा? 1 time only, because 56 2 is 112. This is 56 1 56. Now the next step is subtraction. I will subtract this 2. Now I am taking this 2 down. Now under this 222, we can see that the table of 56 will go 3 times. That is 168. Again I will make subtraction. Now my third digit is 3. Now under 543, my number will go 9 times. That is 504. Now again I will make subtraction. This is 3. This is 13. 13 minus 4, 9. This is 3. Now my next number is 5. 395. Now under this 395, the table will go 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s and 7s. It will go 7 times. That is 392. Now this 3, again I took this 1. Now this is 1, right? Now I took this 1 down, but this number is not divisible by 56. 56 के 31 के नीचे 56 का टेबल नहीं जा सकता, तो I put 1 0 here and this will be the remainder. So my quotient is 13970 and the remainder is 31. Thank you.